Chef Anthony here, bringing you a ton of asparagus, answering the question, what's the best way to cook asparagus? Here we're gonna go 5 different ways to cook asparagus. I'm gonna boil the asparagus, I'm gonna steam it, I'm gonna roast it in the oven, I'm gonna microwave it, and I'm gonna cook it right on the cooktop, all featuring our Wolf appliances. So let's get peeling on some asparagus. I have my cookie sheet right here. I have a little bit of parchment down. We're gonna put a nice bunch of asparagus in, and it's a dry heat cooking method, so we need a little bit of fat. So we're gonna add some of the oil here. Nice little tablespoon oil, a little cracked pepper, probably 1/4 teaspoon. Nice and easy. Whole teaspoon is a little sea salt, just to bring out a little bit of that caramelization and the moisture of that asparagus. Just gonna add a little bit of Montreal steak seasoning. These guys look all tossed together. And the thing is, we wanna open them up a little bit. We don't want them sitting on top of each other because it'll steam. Give them enough room, okay? This, ready to go to the oven. So let's do it. Boiling water, we're gonna add a little bit of sea salt. Here, I'm gonna add just a 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil. Asparagus goes in. It's only gonna take about 3 minutes. We want these blanched, we want these bright, and we want them beautiful, okay? Perfect asparagus is ready to roll. Beautiful green color. We're gonna take this right out. Option, if you're using this, you could shock these in ice water to preserve the green, but we're serving them right away. I have one bunch of asparagus that I clipped the bottoms of. A little bit of paper towel on a microwave safe plate. We're gonna put this right down, okay? Now I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of water just to steam it out, okay? Just on our plate. Next, we need a little bit of seasoning. So I'm gonna get a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh cracked black pepper in here. All right, next I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of a little bit of sea salt, just to give it some great flavor here. All right, now a touch of olive oil, probably a 1/4 teaspoon, and let's go right to the microwave drawer. I got the 2-burner induction, got the cast iron hot. I'm heating it up to about 80%, okay? Grab a little olive oil, probably a nice tablespoon, pop right in there, okay? We're gonna put about 12 to 15 asparagus right in the bottom there. We're gonna get them to start to heat up at the bottom. 1/4 teaspoon of little sea salt, just to season that cast really nice. Then a nice 1/4 teaspoon, equal parts, little black pepper goes right in. And now we want to just take our tongs and just give it a quick toss, all right? Make sure we get them all coated. This is going to take 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to get a nice crisp crust on the bottom. They're going to be tender in the center. They're going to be amazing. Give them a couple minutes. Okay, it's been about 3 to 5 minutes here, probably about 4.5. We're looking at some great asparagus. Got a little bit of smoke, a little caramelization. All I do to this is a little tab of butter just to give it a little shine, a little bit of richness. Toss that around real quick. In front of me, I have my perforated tray. This is the setup for all setups, and I have my solid pan underneath to catch all the drippings. So we have the steam oven preheated to 212 degrees of full steam. Once we put the asparagus in, the steam holds in those great nutrients, really helping all of our products out, ensuring our fresh vegetables go well. So nice and easy on this. We're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it, okay? Just to give it a little sheen. And a little bit of fine sea salt on this. Try a nice little teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of fresh grated black pepper. This looks great, and I just like to give it a toss like this, make sure it's nice and even. And the air is right there with the perforation. So this is the setup. Let's go in our steam oven, probably about 3 to 5 minutes, because these are medium asparagus. Thicker ones are gonna take 5 to 7, okay? Let's do it. Okay, everyone, rounding out our asparagus here. I have all 5 on the board. They all look excellent. They all did really well. I'm gonna go through every one. First, this is the steamed. Nice steam oven, looks great. Great nutrient value on this. A winner. Second, one of my strong favorites, the boiled. Looks great. Great color, great tenderness, really plump. Boiled didn't sell me short. Roasted, this is what I've tried and true. I love the roasted. Look at the color on this. Look at the Montreal steak seasoning. Adds a little more sugar, adds a little more flavor. Definitely one to pair with. Great. The shocker, microwave. Look at the microwave. Unbelievable on the microwave asparagus. This made me a believer. I'm gonna go home and use my microwave a lot more now. But tender and amazing. Ugh. Last one, pan fried with a little olive oil in the cast iron. This is a quick and easy one. This shrunk a little bit, gang, so there's not as much moisture, but still, this is a quick 3 to 4 minute, and one that I will not leave out of my arsenal. I ate a bunch of asparagus. I hope this determines which method is best for you to cook asparagus in your home. Enjoy it, and enjoy all the asparagus.